Okay. Well, I hope you have noted the formula. I'll share the problem with you. So now this is the formula. Okay, the formula is n into summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy divided by square root of n into square root of summation n into dx square minus dx whole square into square root of n into summation dy square minus dy whole square. Okay. So now we are going to solve the problem. So this is the problem. Okay. If I am trying, which are the methods I know? I know direct method and actual mean method. Direct method, if I want to do, I have to square 38, 40, 42, 44 and all. Okay. Even though you are using calculator, it involves some bigger numbers, so there is a chance of computational error. Okay. Or you may feel difficult in multiplying and writing those values and dividing and taking square root. Everything it may be problem. So if you go for next method, that is mean method, first you are trying actual mean. If you find actual mean for this one, it will come, the total is 397 divided by the total number of values 9. 397 by 9, if you find it, you will get the mean for this is 44.1111. Okay, 44.1111. Okay. So now if you find x minus x bar and x minus x bar whole square, all the values will come. For example, I'll do it for you. Here I'm finding x minus x bar. So this one I'm doing formula, this one minus 44.1111. Okay. So if I am finding mean, if I am finding x minus x bar like this, see, the values will come like this, x minus x bar, this is x minus x bar. Now, some other class students are, every day they are joining in the class. Parthivan Chalaka is not connected their audio. Friends, message them, otherwise I'll remove them within 5 minutes. Ask them to connect their audio. They never connected their audio, they are not able to listen what I'm taking it in the class. Parthiv and Chalaka and Ashley Dennis. Ask them to connect their audio. So now this is x minus x bar. Okay, x minus x bar. If I am finding x minus x bar whole square, x minus, I'll write it here. X minus x bar, x minus x bar, and x minus x bar whole square. This is x minus x bar. And this is, if I am finding x minus x bar whole square, I am telling this for making you to understand why we are using assumed mean method instead of actual mean method. You may ask me why we are using assumed mean method and already we have direct method and actual mean method. Okay, so the problem is this one. Now, if I want to square this one manually, if you do, or if you are typing it in calculator also, there is a possibility of typing error. Okay, so this one, what I have to do, I have to find the square of this one into this. So I'll get like this. So it involves huge decimal points, big calculations, and there is a chance of error. So, okay. So to avoid that error, we are using assumed mean method. Okay. Even in mean median mode also, I already explained you why we are using assumed mean method instead of actual mean method. Whenever we are getting decimal point, mean in decimal point, that time it is difficult to proceed further. So to avoid that calculation error, we are using assumed mean method. Okay. So now we are going to use assumed mean method. The formula is the summation of n into summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy. Okay. So this is what the formula we are going to use. Now, can anyone tell me which one will take as assumed mean in x and assumed mean in y? Anything you can take, no restriction. But I'm asking you, you tell any one number, that number will take. Anybody is there in the session? Tell me any one value in X. Yeah, to me the suggested 44. Okay, we'll take 44. So 44 will take us, and that is suggesting 14. Okay, we'll take that two numbers. So 44 and 14 will take. Yeah, it's in middle. No problem. Both any 44 you can take. Number is the matter. The order is not the matter. Okay. 44 you can take this 44 also, this 44 also. You will get the same answer. Okay. Here you 12 also you can take because two 12s are there. So you'll get two zeros. 15 also you can take because you have two 15. So while you are finding dy, you'll get two zeros. Like that, your convenient. Any value from the given values you can take as assumed mean. Okay. So now we have taken 44 and 14. Now we have to find out dx, dy, dx square, dy square, dx into dy. Okay. So all those we have to find it out. I'll just move it down. We are going to find out these terms. Okay. So now we are going to find out dx, dy. Okay, now we are going to find out dx, dy, and dx square, dy square, dx into dy. Okay. So then at last here we will find total also. Total of all. That means summation we are going to find out. Now okay. So now dx, what is dx? Dx is x minus a. What is x value? X values are the given values, and a value we will say that as 44. Okay. So here will come x minus 44. X minus 44. And here it will come y minus 44 is equal to y minus 44. Y minus 14. Assume the mean we have taken for y series is 14. Okay, so we'll do that one. X minus so is equal to this value, x value minus 44. So we are getting values like this. So if you find it for all the given values, so these are the dx. That means x minus assumed mean. The same way we'll find it for dy also. So dy is equal to y minus 14. Y minus 14. Okay. So it's the 4. Like this. So if you find for everything, it will find it. Next part else we have to find out. We have to find out dx into dy. So minus 6 into minus 4 plus 24, minus 4 into plus 7 minus 28. Like this we have to find out. So this one into this one. Dx into dy. To find it for all, we'll get the values like this. Okay, so this is dx into dy. Now dx square we have to find out. Dx square is square of dx value. So this one into this value. Okay. Dx into dx. That is dx square. So find dx square for all the values. So we are getting like this. And dy square is equal to dy into dy. Dy into dy. Okay. So this is dy square. So now we found all the values which are all we need for the formula. Which are all terms we need for formula? We need summation dx dy and summation dx, summation dy, summation dx square, summation dy square. All these terms we need. So we are finding everything here. Okay. So now we need summation of all. So we find summation of all. So this is the summation of all the values. Okay. We got the summation here. Now what else we need to do? We will substitute this value in the formula. Okay. Substitute this value in the formula. So what is the formula? N into, which are the formulas with you? Or I'll join the class later. Note down this formula. So this is the formula for, note down this formula. This is the formula for N into summation dx into dy minus summation dx into summation dy whole divided by square root of N into summation dx whole dx square minus summation dx whole. See, now n is equal to 9. The formula is r is equal to n into summation of dx dy. Summation dx dy is 23. So 9 into 23 minus summation dx, that is 1. Summation dy, that is 6. We multiplied in the numerator, whole divided by the denominator, square root of n into summation dx square, that is 113, minus summation dx whole square, that is 1 square 1, into square root of n into summation dy square, that is 112, minus dy whole square. So all the terms we have kept it here. Okay, we substituted the terms, whichever we found it as a summation, those terms we applied it in the formula. Okay, now simplify and tell me the answer. Simplify this and tell me the answer. Yes, Nikhil.
So 0.2022, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Nikhil.
Yes, sir. -1 and +1 it will be now, sir.
No, limit for the moderate degree. When you
Between
will tell us
0.5,
moderate.
sir.
Between 0.5.
Yes, sir.
0.5, we didn't give the limit at all.
Uh,
You see it properly, Nikhil.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, Meda.
Sir, is it low degree positive correlation?
Very good. Low degree positive value.
Yes, sir.
Between 0 and 0.25, it is low degree correlation. And if it is positive, that is low degree positive correlation. If it is negative, that is